It's hard to tell whether it's getting worse. I mean, it definitely seems like it's getting worse going in. It definitely seems like it's getting rougher going in. It would affect us less from the back, and will put us right back where we were. I don't know what else the fuck changed. We're still in the 6,500 degree water, 6,500 feet of water, but I don't know, I see white caps still up ahead. At Graceland for Elvis Presley, his name was TCB, Taking Care of Business. They have Elvis Presley in the front, EP, but EP is also El Primero.
Okay.
I got the El Primero after the glasses, so now I bought like 10 pairs. So everybody has a pair. They work good. I can order for Graceland, they send them out to me. A lot of people, movie star, but then when I give them to them, then they want, they're like, hey, they're pretty good. I'm keeping them. So even that's not bad, kind of cut it a little bit, but I'm gonna take it straight on. What's up, Mario?
Big waves, man.
Yeah, buddy. There we go. There it is. Here. Boom. That's the biggest one so far.
This is fucking awesome.
They're getting bigger. I don't know how he turned this.
Yeah, I know it's gonna hit hard.
It's gonna hit hard. Be a little rocky here for a second. Try to make the turn. These are big old fluffy waves.